policeman alleged to have been a member of a criminal gang has been released after 2 witnesses refused to identify him.
He would remain a member of the police force because he was not officially charged. However, as I mentioned earlier on, that the matter against him still open, and as soon as we are able to get the witnesses to come and testify or to point him out in the ID parade, then the matter will be advanced. Well, in fact, he was released yesterday after intensive interrogation. He was released yesterday, and the reason for his release is that there are 2 main witnesses. His name was mentioned in 2 statements, and the 2 witnesses, one is overseas. When the witness was contacted yesterday, he would not be able to return to Jamaica. In fact, he refused from coming to Jamaica to point him out on the ID parade. There has to be an ID parade. And the other local witness refused outrightly. He's scared, and he refused from going to point him out on the ID parade. So with that said, we cannot hold him indefinitely. But what of note, the matter remains open, and as soon as they change their mind, then they will be facilitated. Or if there is new evidence to suggest that he is involved. As I said, there are 2 statements already. But if these 2 witnesses change their minds, then we'll be able to pursue the matter against him.
Police informant not digging Ketch police officers who were running their own gang. A policeman alleged to have been a member of a criminal gang has been released after 2 witnesses refused to identify him. That's according to head of the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch, CTOC, Senior Superintendent Anthony McLaughlin. It's also alleged that the police member in question is the son of a senior law enforcement officer. The police say the Clarendon-based Ranco gang counted at least 8 members of the security forces among its number. The criminal organization is said to have committed several crimes including robberies, shootings, abductions, and larceny. An alleged plot to kill one of the gang members turned police informant was also uncovered by law enforcement. However, SSP McLaughlin says the case remains open and the police continue to pursue leads. The CTOC head says the accused still remains a member of the constabulary force.
Yeah, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Now, when you hear the clip them, I want to hear what the superintendent has said. A policeman was let go because 2 witnesses decided that they weren't going to point him out. And the policeman, his father, is a big-time police official. Now, that goes to show you what we're dealing with in Jamaica and what is going on down there. Now, another vlogger did a story and on this and said that it was police digging. Well, it wasn't police digging that really opened up this case or bust this case. Remember now, you had 3 guys was caught in a car sometime last year in a Clarendon going to do a hit. The 2 of the guys them in that car decided that they were gonna talk to the police. Upon talking to the police, Constable Silvera, who works at the Unsby police station, Kingston 11, that's at the bottom of Agley Park Road, near Tough Gang Studio, was arrested because the police, after the informants came forward and talk on Tavares. Now, they picked him up on his job and arrested him and charged him along with the other guys then. So that's where and that's how this case really came to light. It's informants. I wouldn't say it's internal digging because Jamaica has an internal affairs police and they, I don't even know why they have them because CTAC was the one along with the informant them that really dig. So the internal affairs police thing don't work in Jamaica. But long story short, 3 guys went on a hit, they got caught. Them decide to inform on the police them and then inform on Silvera, and from there it kick it off because Silvera, the dirty police boy from Unsby, he's also charged. Now, I saw a subscriber or somebody post a comment saying that Silvera father is the big time police that they're talking about in this video, in this clip. I think I beg to differ because Silvera been locked up since last year and hasn't gotten a bail. The police officer who walked on this one, his father is the big time police, and like me say, people are not pointing him out, so that's why he walked and he still has his job. So it's the informants that they caught going on the hit bust this case wide open about the Ranko gang. I don't think it's police internal digging. Now, if you like what I'm doing and you subscribe, please leave a comment if you subscribe, okay? Subscribe and leave a comment, or if you do subscribe, leave a comment so we can know and I'll give you a shout out. My name is Countryman. Peace and I'm out.